Hello everyone, good afternoon. How are you today? Now, in this video, I'm going to share to you how to make delicious fruit salad. The tools and the materials. For the tools over here, we can prepare the glass and also the spoon, the grater to grate the cheese. And for the materials, we can prepare the cheese. You can grate your cheese like this one by using the grater, and we can choose the fruits. In this video, I choose mangoes, lemon, and also pear, and also dragon fruit. What about the size? It depends on you. When you want to cut the fruit, it depends on you. If you want to cut the fruit like the dice, it's fine, it's okay. It is free cut. And also we prepare the cheese from the goat and the mayonnaise from my stove. Now I'm gonna share to you how to make it. Please prepare the tools and the materials. And for the next, please prepare the basket. The basket looks something like this one. After that, we can take the fruit by using the spoon. So we can choose the fruit. Okay. Put the fruits into the basket. Or we can say big bowl. Okay. Don't forget to put the fruits into the basket. And I think this is fresh fruit. So I'm gonna make one example. So don't forget about the dragon fruit. Okay, I think it's enough because this is only the example. And don't forget we use the mayonnaise. You can take the mayonnaise and pour it into the basket. Big bowl. Okay. Yeah, I think it will be very nice. Okay, after that, don't forget to stir well. Stir well. I do believe the taste will be very nice, will be very delicious fruit salad. After you stir the fruit very well, so prepare the glass. Take the glass and pour the fruit into the glass. Something like this one. Okay, after that, we can take the cheese by using the spoon. If you like the cheese, it's fine, it's okay. Okay, something like this one. Don't forget to mix well. Oh, what about the taste? I think the taste will be very nice. Don't forget to taste it by using the spoon. Something like this one. I think delicious fruit salad is ready to be served. Very nice. If 1 to 10, I will give this fruit salad is 9. See you on the next video. Bye.